Today I'm going to show you how to turn a chair like this into one like this. First step is to turn the chair over and locate any screws that are connecting the bottom of the chair to the cushion. Those need to be removed. My chair has 4 and then 1 here makes it 5. Turning the chair on its side, it makes it easier to remove the cushion. Make sure you remember where you put your screws because I always forget where I put mine and then I run into trouble later on. Turn the cushion over, locate any staples that are holding the black fabric into place. These staples need to be removed, so taking a flathead screwdriver, dig into the cushion and remove each and every staple. This is a jewelry tool that I use because sometimes it's hard to take the staples out, and this just makes it easier. This piece of black fabric that you see here is essentially covering the bottom of the cushion, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a little bit. And you want to keep going around and around, taking out all the staples, like I said, in order to remove this piece of fabric. Take the new fabric, put it flat on the floor, placing the cushion over the new fabric. This is what the cushion looks like without that black fabric cover. Next, taking a scissor, I use a fabric scissor, but you can use any kinds. You want to cut the fabric around the cushion, making sure you have enough fabric to cover the previous fabric and the previous staples. Continue cutting and checking to ensure the new fabric is covering the old fabric. So as you watch me finish cutting up the rest of the fabric, I'm going to remind you to please subscribe and let me know if you like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any other house items you are looking to give an inexpensive upgrade to, and I will film a new video to put up. There you go. This is what it looks like once you're finished with this part. Next, taking the staple gun, start to staple the fabric to the cushion. I like to create sort of a diamond shape to start off. This holds the fabric into place and makes it easier to work with. Keep pulling the fabric as tight as you can and then staple it. Continue doing this all the way around the cushion until most of the fabric is stapled. As you continue, start to smooth the side of the cushion to alleviate any bumps. Once most of the fabric is stapled, you really want to pull down really tight in between those staples and get the rest of that fabric stapled down. I also wanted to let you know if you run out of staples and you do not know how to replace the staples, in the description box below I will link the video that shows you how to replace the staples. This is what it looks like once it's all stapled down. Now you want to run your hand down the side of the cushion to see if there's any bumps, and if you see any that you want to try to get rid of, just keep pulling down the fabric and staple some more. Once that's finished, taking your scissor, cut off any fabric that you won't need. Now you will take whatever was covering the wood and place it back over the back of the cushion. Use the staple gun and secure the black fabric onto the back of the cushion. Now put the cushion back on the bottom of the chair. Now you want to look for all the places where you removed the screws and screw them back in. Once all the screws are screwed back in, turn the chair right side up. There you go. Now you're finished. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe.